Hi guys!
So a girlfriend of mine introduced me to Shape House, and we came here together a couple of weeks ago, and I got obsessed. So I'm bringing Ani here today. Yay!
It's my first time.
I know, and a lot. So the reason is we're here and we're shooting is the fact that so many of you messaged me about it when I did an Insta story. So we're here to talk to the owner actually, and she's gonna give us the 411 on Shape House and how it's good for you and what the whole thing is all about.
No sweat, let's do it.
Oh my god, so cheesy. Okay, guys, we're here with Sophie, the owner, the founder of Shape House, and she's gonna give us all the information that you need to know before getting into this. So first, let's start with what is Shape House?
So it's a place where you sweat. Like, we've come up with this really intelligent protocol where you lay down in these beds, which you're gonna see. It looks, for those that are not here physically, it looks like a sleeping bag. And then you get in there and you watch a really entertaining thing on the TVs and you pass the hour really quick and then you're wet like you fell in a pool.
That was the best part about it, is because I don't know if I could have gone through the session without the TV. Because I was like, okay, one Law and Order SVU episode and I'll be done.
Exactly.
How many calories you lose doing this?
A lot. So you burn like 800 while you're in it, which is really like a 10K.
Insane.
That's a lot.
And we're saying that it's actually a great thing to go work out afterward.
Yes.
Right?
So if you
Countless
do,
times you're sweating already.
that's exactly it. If you do a workout and then you come here, it will help with the lactic acid, and it will help with, like, you won't have the soreness that you sometimes feel when you work out. Like, it will really relax you. If you do it the other way, which is basically sweat before, when you do your, like, I box and I sometimes do my sweat before I go boxing, and then my trainer will be like, what's going on? Like, I'll start boxing and I'll be like, because I'm already up there, you know, like my body thinks I've already worked out for an hour, so it, you know, you can use it differently.
What made you get into this? Like, your story is very interesting and I want you to share it with everyone.
Sure. I mean, I've lost 200 pounds, and so I've been
Insane. That's so
it's
crazy.
like both of you. I basically, you know, was always in a journey of how do I go from point A to point B. So sometimes it was like, how do I lose the next 20 pounds, you know, and sometimes it's how do I sleep more because I'm not sleeping enough. And when you don't sleep, the new science is really you cannot lose weight if you totally depleted. So to answer your question, why did I get into it? It's a good solution. It's smart, it goes fast, it gets pretty much every problem one has. Like, sometimes people are like, what is this good for? And I'm like, what do you have? Because whatever you have, there's a good chance by detoxing your body, it's going to help it.
I have 10 pounds of baby weight.
Okay. That will help. It's also going to give you more energy, so maybe you go work out. Weight loss is often why people come and want to spend money and want to spend the hour, and also they've heard me somewhere talk about the fact that I've lost so much weight, blah, blah, blah. So maybe that's what gets them in the door. But then they'll be doing it and they'll be like, oh my God, I sleep like I've never slept like this in my whole life, or my skin is looking all glowy. And people walk out of here and they're like literally glowing. People are like, well, I'm not wearing makeup. I'm like, yeah, exactly. You're not wearing makeup because you don't need it. It's like, you know, people actually are healthy when they sweat, so they don't need. At the beginning, a lot of people came because makeup artists would send us everybody they knew, because they were kind of like, there's nothing I can do with makeup that does what this thing does. You know, it's like, in order for people to actually look healthy, they actually have to be healthy.
So you gotta glow, you burn calories, you feel good,
you sleep better.
There's a lot of benefits.
Let's go sweat. Let's go.
So you guys, we get some clothes to sweat in that we are gonna change into.
I actually really like that they give you the stuff, because it's like,
you don't
this
have to
is gonna be a hot mess, right? It would be a hot mess. So we're gonna go change and start sweating. All right, we got our gear on. What? We got our merch. We're wearing the merch.
I'm ready to sweat.
Let's start sweating.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we get tucked into these little sleeping bag machines. Ooh, it's nice.
How hot is it in there?
It's at 158 degrees right
158, and how high does it go up to?
It stays the same.
Okay, good.
Yes.
And you're like, it's gonna be 500 degrees.
How's the height for you? That's perfect.
Oh, you have Hulu.
Yes, we have Hulu
Oh
and
shit,
also
I can't do it.
HBO, Netflix. You can go to sleep.
We're gonna Netflix and chill right now.
Oh yeah.
This over here. How's that?
Perfect.
Good? Okay.
Ready to Netflix chill and sweat it out.
So the first time I was freaking out because I thought I was gonna be stuck in here, that they let you like, they give you the remote control, so you have like one hand out. That just having that was like comfortable for me. I'm like, okay, I have a hand.
Yes. It makes a huge difference.
I'm in touch with reality.
And it is Velcro on the right hand side, so if you need to, you can always open it.
We're ready to sweat. Ani's already like out of touch.
I'm comfortable.
She's gonna nap right now.
I'm gonna watch TV. It's starting to get hot and sweaty in here.
I'm sweating up a storm.
It's pretty hot. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like sweat on my face at this point.
Yeah. My bangs are getting curly as we speak.
Yes. Oh. Oh my god, that feels so good. Because it was getting pretty hot in here.
Hi. No water. Alright. Much needed. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Law and Order just finished, so I think the session is coming to a close really soon.
Yep. All good. We're done already?
Yes, you are. How's your sweat?
It was good. The TV helps it go by so fast. Ooh. Oh my god, I am drenched in sweat, you guys.
Hi. Oh my gosh. All wet.
All wet. Ugh. Drenched. Drenched.
It's super hot, but it's not uncomfortable where to the point like you can't do it.
No, and the TV really does help it go by.
Yeah, the TV is like the most genius thing ever.
You watch
The
like
distraction.
2 episodes of something and you're done.
Yeah, like 1.5 for me.
I feel really good though. I feel like light almost.
Yeah. We're gonna float away.
I'm gonna float away. Watch me float.
Okay, so now we're gonna go to the relax room and have some tea and relax.
Ooh. So now we're in the relaxing room having some tea and oranges. It does feel a little bit chilly, so we're covering ourselves up with towels.
Oh yeah. Since we're all wet, they put a towel on you and under you, so you're cozy.
Oh, but the tea. Oh,
I feel so zen, guys.
it's like after having a massage.
It does feel like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels like a massage. But I got to watch Law and Order.
I watched Sex and the City and Friends. It was a good afternoon for me.
Workout.
Clearly, Nora has a lot of energy. I feel very light and airy, and I feel like I'm like literally gonna like float away.
But I have to say, it's definitely like getting a massage. Like you said it best. Like
Yeah.
it literally felt like I got a massage. I'm super relaxed, and I lost about 800 calories. Super
Now
happy
it's time
about that.
to go put on 800 calories, right?
Lunchtime!
Hope you guys enjoyed this special video. You can check them out online. We'll leave links and descriptions below.
And if you have any questions about the treatment or anything, leave it in the comments and we'll
Do our best.
get them answered. Yeah, we'll do our best to answer all of them.
Bye, guys.